long black shiny car. This one was actually requested by Stian Towson. I hope I said your name right. Especially after your generous contribution. So Stian is a top tier member. He's in the $20 tier. And if you join that tier, I will transcribe any song you ask me to do. Well, give me a couple and I'll pick one that kind of works. But yeah, generally speaking, anything's achievable. So this is Stian's request. So let's get into it. I will just thank Adam Tillman, Josh Marino, and Ganis Miletus, I hope I said that right, for joining the Patreon, and also Kerry and David Pearson. Guys, thanks for upping your pledge. It really helps, and this is going to be an awesome year. I'm super excited. Anyway, getting on with the video, let's get into this first lick. The guitar is in E flat. You don't have to tune your guitar down, but I think you'll enjoy playing along with the song. Don't forget you can get the transcription on the Patreon. So, the first lick here, bend the 15th fret whilst holding the 12th, and pick those strings together. Now, if you want to play exactly like him, I'm pretty sure he's fretting his finger right across. He's actually doing that, and then he takes that finger off as he slides down, because I can actually hear, sounds like that to me. You could just slide your fingers down the way you're holding them, but I think he's letting that go and then sliding back, and he's got that first finger barred on the 2 strings. Kind of hearing that, maybe I'm overthinking it. You can just do whatever's easy. Just bend and just slide them off like that. Make sure your fingers are tall, or else you're going to find that you'll block the first string with your 3rd finger. That would be a very easy mistake to make. Lick 2 in that intro, I'm not going to worry about the chords. We're going to get into the chords, by the way, in the next lesson. So we slide from 11 to 13 on the 3rd string, and we want to be really slick about this, just like that. So I'm sliding 11 to 13, like that, and I'm coming back. Sort of, yeah. Hit the 11, give it a moment, and slide up to the 13. We don't really come back. I'm not sure why I said that. We actually reach the 9, reach back to the 9th fret, all on the 3rd string, obviously. And then we play the 11th fret on the 4th string, 9th fret on the 4th string, and then what you need to do is pick your hand up and slide 9 to 11 on the 5th string. Okay, so let me play what's actually happening here so you can hear it. So, alright, so we slide 9 to 11, go to the 9 on the 4th string. And it's really fast, okay, quite challenging. But hey, even if you don't ever get the speed or don't get that happening quickly, this is a great example of blues scale, pentatonic scale. This is just E major pentatonic here. Okay. Also looks like a C sharp minor pentatonic. They're the same scale, but focusing on that E obviously as your root note. That's what's happening. So great to learn this from a theoretical perspective anyhow, even if you can't get that speed. So where were we? 11, 9. We slide into that from the 9. Play the 9 on the 4th string. Now what we do, we pick that 9 again, we hammer the 11, play the 9 on the 3rd string, pick that 9 again, hammer the pinky. Yeah, so we hammer the pinky, we take it straight back off. Then we play the 11th fret on the 4th string, and then we pick the 9th fret on the 3rd and the 2nd string, and slide back. Okay, so if you're having trouble working on that because you couldn't really hear it in your head, have the song up as well so you can work off the song. You're obviously doing this on YouTube. Bring up the Restless, the tune, okay? And what you can do is slow it right down and listen to that, and then just jump back to my video and watch me work through that lick. So I'll just do it really slow. So that was the 2nd lick. The 3rd lick goes like this. I'll actually play it first this time. This would have been a good idea. By the way, the transcriptions really do help. I know you guys would probably really appreciate it if I put the tabs on the screen, but this is the only thing I keep for my Patreon members. I keep the transcriptions for my members. Yeah, so I do apologise if you aren't a member. Look, and if you can't afford it, like if you really just, it's not something that you want to do, get in touch with me and I'm happy to help people out who really need it. Of course, if you're just a freeloader and a little bit tight, I'll probably still help you out anyway. I'm generally pretty easy going like that. So next thing we do, so that's the lick, and so what we're actually doing here, we play the 12th fret on the 2nd string, 12th fret on the 1st string, just roll across like that, bend the 15th fret, play the 12th fret on the 1st string, 15th fret on the 2nd string, 12th fret on the 2nd string, 15 with the pinky, 14 with the 3rd, this is on the 3rd string, 1st finger on the 12, hammer to the 13 with the 2nd finger, play the 14th fret on the 4th string, play the 11 on the 4th string, and play the 14th fret on the 4th string. That's an E. So we've gone into E minor pentatonic here, and then switched into a major pentatonic, which the whole shape. Okay, I do have videos on learning the major pentatonics, so check them out. I've got videos on learning the minor pentatonics as well, all of that stuff. They're all in on my YouTube channel somewhere. Look in the theory playlist, most of that stuff is in there. So, okay, and then we get the last one we're going to be working on today, which again I'll play through it first. Okay, now I've played that in a really bog basic way. He obviously plays that with a lot of expression. All these licks kind of push, pull, rush, they're played in free time. I'll just show it to you nice and smoothly, and you can do what you like with it. Remember, you don't have to play it exactly like him. He would have learnt a million blues licks, and now he plays them, well, back then and now, he plays like himself. That's, you know, that's what I like to do as a musician. That's what I like to instill as a teacher as well. So the last lick, open 1st string, 2nd fret on the 2nd string, open 1st string. And then we go 3, 2, O on the 1st string, 3, 2, O on the 2nd string, 3, 2, O, 1 on the 3rd string, 2, O on the 4th string, 2, 1, O on the 5th string, slide from the 3, 4 on the 6th string. Okay, so yeah, again, when I say push-pull, it's kind of like, you know, it's obviously not as stock and straightly played as I played it initially. So you do your thing with that. Practice them really slow. Alternate the pick. I was going to say alternate the pick. Alternate the pick as much as you can. That's going to make a big difference. Okay. Think about it when you pick down. Okay. If you're going to pick down again, you need to come up anyway. So if you're not learning to down and up pick, you are wasting a lot of opportunities there. Guys, that's the whole video. Stick around for the next one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a comment. Take it easy.